Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make Ubuntu into a bootable USB drive using a tool called Rufus. Now open Chrome and search rufus.ie. Here you should find the page with all the versions. Just download the exe version for Windows and save it to the desktop. Now to download the latest version of Ubuntu from their website by searching for it on Google. Keep in mind that this can be done with any ISO image of operating system, provided that Rufus supports it. You can either click Download and Save File to Desktop or download it using alternate server and download using torrent for faster speeds. I personally prefer the torrent ones for their speed. Like I said, you can click Alternate Server and select the torrent file and download it using a torrent link manager like BitTorrent, which is open source. I have downloaded both the files and now place them on the desktop for easy access. Now you can head over and open Rufus. Now you need a USB pen drive that you want to make bootable. I would suggest at least 8 GB minimum for usage. In my case, I am using a 16 GB drive. Once you have inserted the drive, make sure that it is the one that you select inside Rufus to make it bootable. Be aware that this process will erase and format all data on the drive, so make sure to back up your USB before you begin the process. After that, click on Select and select the Ubuntu ISO image that you downloaded and click Start. Select ISO image mode and then OK. When you get a warning about the drive being formatted, make sure you have already backed up what was important and then only click OK. Now all you have to do is sit and wait until the process is complete. Make sure you don't interrupt this process, and it may have to be done from the beginning or may corrupt the drive. Now let's fast forward it to the finish. There you go now. It is completed. All you have to do now is insert your USB and then boot from it from the device you want to boot from. Also, always make sure to enable boot from USB in BIOS as it might be disabled. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe for more.